Mr. Gamyeyo, it is too late to cry only when the head is off and not when the head is on. Just what yo, give this I for you. Hey, who's your hey, what's up, Nafia Bandi, Ura Marara Mobina, Jokyo Nana, no more Borano, hey, so Operation Wipe, my evangelist. What do you understand by the word regede?
It's a verb.
What about agerio?
And that is a noun.
Jokyo Nana, no more Borano. Stop paying deaf ear to the voice of repentance before the sun, the star, and the moon stops shining.
Wow.
Just one tatayo, give this I pour here. Hey, Rosa, Nafia Badena, Ura Marara Mobile. What joke you know? No, no more Barano. Hey, so many, hey, so many. See, had I know is a brother to Mr. Late. Music.
You cannot go.
Just what I talk in this I pour be a mind through which Christ think, a heart through which Christ love, a voice through which Christ speak, and a hand through which Christ help. Shama, 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 shama. That's what I talk in this aporoyere. Come on, sing. A child who denies his parents should not be annoyed if he is called a bastard. Shama, 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 shama. That's what I talk in this aporo yere. Jesus never wasted time with critics. He kept his attention on his goal. the bass. Come on, enter the music for me. Shama, 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 shama. It is better to be a great man in heaven than a king in hell. Show me your friends, and I will tell you who they are. Listen, if you want to be like an eagle, don't fly with vultures. Reverend and Pastor Mrs. Felix Urhobo, Daddy, JESU and Mama, stand in faith to increase God's kingdom. May God increase you spiritually. Is that my daughter Destiny? I am seeing you over here. God bless you, my daughter. Shama, Shama. Think about what questions you will ask at the close of your life on earth. Walk so close to God that you leave no room for the devil. Hey, hey, hey. Mr. and Mrs. Efevela, God is with you.
Honorable Okaka Agiri, you are crowned with long life and favor.
Uyo yora okurire.